Hey y'all, what's up? This Uncle P. I literally just got in from flying into town. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, about going on 2:20 Central Time, 3:20 Eastern Standard Time. And I'm just telling you guys, this is why I tell you, wait, just wait, be patient, man. Look, I'm gonna show you some trades. I literally just came in, took me a quick shower, jumped on my computer, and I want to show you a couple of trades. Here's GU. Now I'm in this one a little bit late, as you can see. Triple arrows came in. This is all on the 15, just doing now laters. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Came back around, retested the high right here. See that? That's the highest area. Retested it, and boom. I missed this big candle because I was a little bit late. But it's all good because here's another one that I did catch. And this one I warned you guys about in class. Okay? And let me move my head out the way. Boom. Triple arrows right here. Sat down. Boom. Retested. This is the one I told y'all about on Thursday. I said that when you have a super drop, a slant pattern, I teach you guys this all the time. Hold on, wrong one. I'm tired. I gotta go to bed. Slant patterns. I say when you see these slants, be prepared for what? A pull up. It has to breathe. I told y'all that on Thursday. I said be prepared for the pull up. So boom, triple arrows. Move out the way. Go back to 15 minute. Triple arrows are sitting right here. Boom. You just see, this is the Asian session stuff. This is that Sunday accumulation stuff. I told y'all, just wait. Just be patient. Just wait. Boom. 27 pips. Easy money. Okay. Let me look at another one. I'm waiting on this one. I don't know if it's playing out yet or not. I'll move this one down. Okay. So I'm waiting on this one to play out. You're seeing it. Okay. AUD, Okay. Triple arrows on the 15. If I go to the 30 minute, see, it's setting up for a drop, 1 hour, setting up, 4 hour. Okay, boom. All right. So I'm just waiting on that one. That's one I'm in. All right. So the next one, EuroCAD. Let's look at that one. Okay, EuroCAD. And I literally just got in these. Okay, look at that. 5 pips already. Triple arrows is right here. 30 minute. Boom. Triples. 1, 2, 3. 1 hour. Boom. Confirmation of direction. 4 hour. Stairmaster after a pullback. Reverse Stairmaster is bouncing off of here. See, it hit this brick right here. Slant pattern. Slant. See, it's dropped. Came down, came down, came down. Just like it did here. Came down. Breather. Come down. Breather. Come down. Breather. Come down. It got to breathe. Easy money. And if you go to the daily, for those who like to trade the daily, look at this trade. I might not even get out of this one. Look at this. Triple arrows on the daily. Stairmaster. Easy money. Easy money. Okay. Easy money. Triple arrow on the 15 again. See? Right here. I'm showing you what it is. Stairmaster off the daily. Boom. I'll probably hang on to that one. That's good money. Long-term stuff. Okay. Well, let's take a look at NZD-CAD. Let's take a look at that one. That'll be the last one. I'm just showing y'all. See? All right. Triple arrows sitting right here. 15 minute. Stop loss is real tight. Okay. So no big deal no matter which way it go. But let's take a look at why I took it. Triple arrows on the 30. Okay. This one went sideways for a long time. I'll pull it over on screen. Let me unlock my screen so you guys can see this. That's why I said, man, you can just do these all day long. Okay, triple arrows came in, just been sitting sideways for a long time since last week, just going nowhere. Sitting on support right back in the bank, same area. Okay, so I'm waiting for that one to play out. That's on the 30. I'm sorry, that was on the 1 hour. Let's take a look on the 4. 4 hours doing what? Stairmastering. Okay, stairmastering. It shot up. pullback, accumulation, just sitting there. As you can see, it's still in this same area. Boom, boom, boom. You see that? Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So it's just sitting right here. And when it hit this area, it shot up some. Hit this area, shot up some. Hit this area, shot up some. So I'm just waiting. Let's check on the daily for those who like to trade the daily. What do we see? Directional support, even on the daily with a miniature Stairmaster. So I'll hang on to this one. All right. So those are some simple trades just to show you guys what I'm looking at. You know, it'll only take a few minutes, maybe about 15 minutes for me to go through everything, what I do. And here's my little notepad, and I could have picked a couple of more. I just didn't like them the way they, you know, it's just preference. I just didn't like, you know, it didn't float my boat. But I had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options. And out of the 7, I chose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 7. 5 out of the 7 options. That's what I decided to do. But here's my point. The point is that they're there. Oh, hold on. I'll move my head out of these charts so you can see me better. They're there. So all I did was I came home, just got off the plane, literally just got off the plane, got dropped off at the crib, showered and and well, actually I took a few of these trades before I jumped in the, well, you know, before I jumped in the shower, because my wife jumped in the shower first, ladies first. Came and I said, okay, well, let me just check and see what's popping in the markets. And boom, there it is. It's like candy. As you can see, this one is running now. You remember I was down 8 pips. Now look, 2.8. So I'll let this run through the morning. You know, I'm going to bed. I'm not going to sit up watching this bad boy. I got my take profit and my stop loss in place on this one. And I got 2 positions on this one. One is going to be set for what? How many pips? This one, I'm confident that it may hit this 68 pips. This is going to be 68 pips from here to here, because this is the area right up in here where it kept coming back to. So you can do the 30 pips, you know, 25, 30 pips. You can do that too. You know, you ain't, it's no hard and fast, but right up in this zone, you see, boom, shot up, hit it. Boom, 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 shot up, hit it. Boom, 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 shot up, hit it. So I'm putting mines right there. And then on the other one that I have, because this is bouncing off a daily dot, doing basically a Stairmaster off the daily, the other position I have a trailing stop on, you know, and I'm just going to let it run. I got a 50 pip trailing stop on the bad boy. Let it do what it do. But here's my point. I'm literally just walked in the door from being out of town the whole weekend. Come right in, you know, go through all my pairs, have my little trusty little notepad right here saying, okay, I see that one. I ain't jumping to the trade. I just see it. I say, okay, I see you, player. Check the rest, check the rest, check the rest. Go through my pairs. And once I'm done going through my pairs, okay, I say which ones were the sexiest. And I go back through them one more time. And I just say, okay, who has the best, watch this, who has the best long-term potential? Okay, yeah, we checked the 15, we checked the 30, but look at how far out I'm going just to see all the way out how many of these really can go the distance. In other words, I'm going to bed. I'm literally going to bed. I don't want to think about my trades. So yeah, you can check the 15-minute to the 30-minute and confirmation on the 1 hour, but it doesn't hurt to check the 4 hour and daily just to see, hey, what's going on long distance? And when you see that and you see, okay, this one has much more longevity of potential than this one, then you take that one off that says, okay, you ain't got a long-term potential, and you go with the one that does. And then you just boom, boom, take your trades, and then you go lay down. It's really just that simple. Okay, so I'm shooting this video for you guys. I'll pause it, and then we'll get up. When I wake up in the morning, I'll see what happened with it. So the pairs I'm in is AUD, NZD. I'm in GU, GBP, USD. I'm sorry, I have acronyms. I've been doing this so long. So AN is Aussie, New Zealand dollar. Okay, and I'm short on that one. Selling, short means sell for new people. GBP USD, I'm short on that one, which means I'm selling that one. NZD CAD, I'm actually buying that one. Okay. And then Euro CAD, I'm buying that one. And then EG, which is Euro GBP, I'm buying that one. Now, I know I'm in a couple of duplicates, but that's okay, you know, because what I did was, instead of going full force on one or the other, I split up the portions, and so it still comes out to the same amount, okay? Because I've seen some pretty good setups, so one may take off faster than the other, so I just split up the amount that I was going to put on, like the euro. I'm in 2 different euros. I'm in 2 different New Zealands, right? Okay, so instead of putting everything into one pair, I just split it up, and it's still the same thing without over leveraging my account. Okay. So I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in 5 trades. Okay. Again, AUD, NZD. I'm in Euro Canadian dollar. I'm in the Euro GBP, and I'm in GBP USD, and I'm in NZD CAD. All right. So I'll pause this video, and when I wake up in the morning, during the US session, we'll see how it played out. Okay. But anyway, either way it goes, you see Stairmasters and triple arrows and stuff like that. It's just right there. That's why I tell you guys, don't rush into this market. Just wait, man. Just wait, chillax, wait until after London is open. It's done its thing, and then just go shopping for a couple of pips. You may say, well, that's too early in the morning. Well, how bad do you want it? Because if you really want to, do this full time, you're going to have to get your butt up. Okay. Don't make no excuses. I'm literally just getting off the plane. I ain't went to sleep yet. I'm about to, but I'm going to handle my business first, because this is how I pay for my trips. And it's real simple. All I'm doing is trading some lines, trading some candles. Look at that, 0.4. It's about to go into positive. Look at that. Look at that. While we live. Okay. While we live, go turn green. Click one more time. 0.02. Click one more time. Come on, quit playing. I'm going to bed. Y'all see that? Yo, he playing. Come on, turn green real quick so I can smile in front of everybody. Okay, smile for the camera. All right, now it's break even. Come on, turn green. Turn green for daddy. Turn green for daddy. When you had I'm tired. When you have kids and they be doing these cute little things, and then you call your friends over to look at what your kid do, and then your kid just sit there looking silly and don't move. Look at that. It's stuck at 0.6. If you don't get your butt across that line so I can just show off a little bit. Oh my gosh. But as you can see, look, it's hitting double support, triple support. You see the 4-hour dots up in there. You see the yellow dot right there, which is a daily dot. And I even got the weekly. So either way it goes, that's tons of support. Okay. Tons of support. Ton of it. Now, I know I could move my stop loss below here on the daily time frame, but that's a little higher on the stop loss. I could do that, but I don't feel like it. Okay. But anyway, for the sake of argument, I'll do one of my positions. So I'll do it like that. All right. Everybody warm and fuzzy. Okay. Because this is actually supposed to be nothing but an annihilator. So, of course, your stop losses are really smaller than, a swing position. But we'll just do that for the sake of argument. So, because I told you I had 2 positions on there. There you go. Look at there. It popped in the... There you go. Time to go to bed. All right. So I'm going to pause this video and we'll see how things play out in the morning. Okay. Here's a quick update, y'all. It's like 7 minutes before the US session. And as you can see, this is, Euro GBP. This is actually the 1 hour now. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. Let me get my head out the way. On the 15 minute where I was showing you guys yesterday, it came over, dipped, and then boom, shot up. You can see I'm currently up 45 pips on this one. But here's what I'm looking at now. Actually, I'm going to hang on to it for a little while, because now on the 1 hour, you can see it created triple arrows on the double bottom on this 1 hour. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead, move my stop loss into profit. And this is a risk-free trade, and let's see how far this thing runs up. But you clearly see I got my pips, with the now later strategy. We're going for 20 to 30 pips. I'm well over that. Let's take a look at GU. GU did some pretty good damage, as you can see right there. I'm currently up 24 pips on that one, so we're doing good on that. So I'll move that one into break even, let it roll, see how far down it can go, because this is now the 1 hour chart. So let me see, let me make sure I'm looking at the right thing. Yep, 1 hour. You can see now it converted into a triple arrow on the 1. So this thing could continue to run down as well. We'll see how that plays out. But now this is a risk-free trade, so no losses there. Either way it goes, if you want to get out right here with your 24 to 25 pips, do your thing. You're good. Okay, let's take a look at Aussie, New Zealand. And let me put it back on the 15 minute. Let's take a look at what's going on. Right now, it's still in the accumulation stage. I actually added a position. So, as you can see, I have 2 positions. Each one is only 4 pips away. So that equals up to 9 pips right here. But it's 4.5 pips. So we're just waiting to see. I'll go back to my 30 just to confirm. Triple arrows is now on the 30 minute. And then on the 1 hour, we see it's still pushing right up against there. So it's still sitting tight. All right. So either way it goes, not a bad setup. I'll leave it alone. And let's see how that plays out. Let's go to EuroCAD. EuroCAD, as you can see, it's just sitting there right here. Now this is the 30-minute. Let's go back to the 15 where we started, the origin. See, it's still in accumulation. It's just sitting sideways, not going anywhere, waiting on something, whatever the news is or whatever it's waiting on. Who cares? It doesn't matter. So triple arrows is right here. Sideways motion, still just down 4.5 pips. So we're just waiting. 30-minute time frame says triple arrows now. Okay. And then let's go to the 1 hour, see what it's communicating to me. It's communicating 2 arrows. So we are sitting fine. We're just going to wait and see how that plays out. And then NZDCAD. Okay, we did the AN, we did EuroCAD, we did NZDCAD. It's the last one. All right, so let's take a look at the NCAD. All right, let's look at NCAD. All right, so here's how this one played out. So this one is a long one. This one is way back here, like we talked about last night. That was there. Okay, let me unlock my screen. It's kind of snapping around on us, so let's take a look. So this was the original triple arrows. It's accumulated, sitting sideways, sitting sideways, sitting sideways. So let me show you what happened. So I had 2 positions. You remember I was playing around, okay? And I had one stop loss underneath the yellow, and I moved the other one here. All right, so here's what happened. The first one did get knocked out right here. It came and tapped me out right there. Let's go to the 15 right here on that part. So if I stretch this back out, okay, so here's where you can clearly see it zoomed in. So it was just accumulating. Then something happened during the London session while I was asleep. It came down, boom, took out my first stop loss, and not the second because it's underneath there, and I'll show you that. And it's now reset itself right here, and see if it pops back up into here. And if it does go where I hope it goes, then I can make back what I lost, that little bit of pips that I lost, which was only, let me see. Which is why you don't want to trade with a tight stop loss, because they do that stuff all the time. That was only, what, 9 or 10 pips? 10 pips exactly. So they took me out on 10 pips, but if I can make this one back, it'll make back my 10 pips plus some. So it's no big deal to me. But if it hits this stop loss, that's not a big deal either. No biggie. But let me show you where the second double layer stop loss is. Okay. If I go out to the daily time frame, you'll see it. So it's sitting on right now on the weekly. I'm sorry, it's sitting on the daily. Stop loss is underneath the weekly support. It broke through the 4 hour and landed on the daily support. So it wasn't far. Okay. 10 pips only, not a big deal. So it broke through the 4 hour, landed on the daily one, and now I put my stop loss below the weekly because they're all right in the same area. And so let's see. Okay. And then if that one bounced back up and come through, it could shoot right up to this area here, which would be cool because that will give me how many pips? If it does from here to here, that'll give me, if it hit that range, about 127 pips. So more than enough to give me back my 10 pip loss plus major profit. So we'll see how it plays out. Okay. So I'll pause it and we'll come back later. All right, you guys, what's happening? This is Uncle P, and I'm showing you right now. This is AUD, NZD, triple arrows. This is off the 30-minute, but this is the same one from last night where I was telling you guys about triple arrows off the off the 15-minute. It translated now to the 30-minute and also it's shaping up for a 1 hour drop. So I'm going to hold this for a little bit. I'm going to hold this one. This is supposed to be 15, 20 pips, but hey, it's setting up for a little bit extra. So, you know, I'm going to go ahead and go for it. Let's just say it comes down to here, which is one of the low areas right here. That'll be a total of 47 pips. So I'll scoop my stop loss with a trailing stop just to protect my profits. But again, congrats. There goes another trade as a winner. And let's take a look at the infamous NZDCAD. And let me move my head out the way and you'll see, just like I told you, now it's up. Positive, 16 pips and constantly running. Triple arrows came in. we had to be patient. I was upside down by like 20 pips or so or whatever. No big deal. But like I said, as you can see, popped right back into profits, being patient, just waiting. Went to Walmart, to the grocery store, got me some juice, did some laundry. You might hear the dryer running in the background. Yeah, brother does his own laundry. Sometimes my wife does laundry. I does laundry. That's how we keep the marriage working. I don't just make, my wife got to do the laundry. No, I do it too because I ain't got nothing else to do. Place my trades, go do some things and come back. Triple arrows on the 30-minute. And let's check out the 1 hour. Let's see what you're talking about. We have 2 bounce aerials, but that was coming from all the way back here like we had talked about prior, where there was triple arrows way back here, but it was just going sideways. So again, it's been hitting in this targeted area over and over and over again. Boom, boom, boom on the 1 hour. Here we go again. Boom. And so my target is right up here. I will put my trailing stop in place to make sure it just follows along. To protect my profits. But if it does hit this right here, it'll be 68 pips on this one. So we converted a trade that was from, a little something up to about 68 pips if it keeps going. And as you can see, I'm up 17 pips. The other ones have already hit their targets, the Euro GBP and the GBP USD. Those are already done. The ECAD, we already went over that one prior. So basically, I took 5 trades. All 5 trades are winners. Okay, using the triple arrow system, now later strategy. All right. And I told you guys, just patient, wait, because it's not just about the triple arrows. It's the timing in which you get into the markets. I told you guys that. So now you have live recorded proof, 5 trades, 5 wins. I'm done. And I'll be back later, to go get some more pips. I call it pip shopping. All right. Have a great day.